Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Irish sea moss and how to prepare that into a gel that you can use for your hair, your skin, or take it internally. So if you're interested in finding out the benefits of Irish sea moss, please stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video if you like this video, and let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so this is how the sea moss looks when you get it packaged. It comes like this. And it is full of all kinds of nutrients, all kinds of minerals. I think like 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs to survive is in this. B12, like tons of stuff. I'll put it below. But it's amazing. So it's amazing for you internally and also externally. It's very, once you have it blended up and everything, it's very gelatinous. Very thick. So you can use it for thickeners in foods, like raw vegan cheesecakes, things like that. You can also use it for hair gels. So I'm going to be making a gel today that you can use for your hair. You can also use the gel on your face for a mask. You can use it all over your body for a mask if you want to. And then you can also put it into, drinks. You can just take it internally like that if you want. But, for it to be masked or whatever, you can just put it into a smoothie. So this is how it starts off. Excuse my nails. You guys know what's going on in the world today. And I don't have any remover. I've had a hard time getting some. I actually have some natural one that I ordered from Amazon. So hopefully that goes well. But anywho, this is how it looks. And then you want to soak it in water, filtered water, any kind of water that you use to drink. You want to soak it in water, and it doubles in its size. This has been soaking for over 24 hours now. I need to use it. I have quite a bit here, but I'm going to be blending it up for, all the things I said. So anyways, when you soak it, it becomes like this, softer, more like sticky and jelly, and then I can use it like that. But it does not have a strong smell. I do know some people have said they've gotten some sea moss with a very strong smell. I don't like the taste or smell of seaweed, things like that, fishy kind of smell, but this doesn't smell like that. It just smells like walking on the beach. It's amazing. I love the smell of it. I'm obsessed with it. It smells like walking on the beach. But anywho, so I'm going to pour this water off and then we'll get started with our applications. To my blender, I have 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add in about 1 cup of the sea moss. So you can play around with it and get the consistency you want. The measurements are just about, but this is how it's looking for me, and I'm gonna leave it like this. So I'm just using a repurposed jar to put some in for the fridge, and then I can share some or freeze the rest. Okay, you guys, so this is the very next day, and I have my sea moss gel here. It's been in the fridge all night. You can see it's really thickened up even from what it was. It does not come out of there. Here it is, super smooth, and you can use it straight out of the jar as you wish for masking things on your skin. Take a scoop, put it in a smoothie. Take a scoop, put it in a soup. Do whatever you want with it. Now I am going to put together my hair gel because hopefully I will be washing my hair today and I will use the hair gel for that. I have to say that I have done this once before, and when I did it, I used a melted down coconut oil, and at the time it was a melted down coconut oil. Once the gel set, it had little like flakes of oil in it, which, you know, it could have been fine once I put it on my hair and the oil melted, but it just did not seem the right consistency. The consistency was good. I just was not sure about that oil. So this time around, I'm going to use a liquid oil, not a oil that will go solid once it has been sitting. I'm doing another repurposed jar, you guys. I always use my jars again, and so that's what I'm going to store it in. For my hair gel, I've got about a half cup of water in here. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of gel. This is just going to be for me for today. I'm not going to try and keep it or anything, so I don't want a ton of it. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil. I don't know how this olive oil is going to work with my hair. I usually use it on my skin, not in my hair, but I don't want the coconut, like I said. So maybe, you know, I don't know, a teaspoon or so of the coconut oil. And then after it comes out, I will put in some of my essential oils. I've got my mix here, just barely melted down. I'm going to put it in the jar. So I'm just going to put some essential oils. You can do it for fragrance. I have some jasmine here. Or you can do it for the properties of the oil. I have some tea tree and peppermint. For this, I'm going to use my tea tree and peppermint. I'm going to leave out the jasmine. I really like how tea tree and peppermint feel in my head, on my scalp, and it's really, really good. I use this in coconut oil when I have dry scalp. So I'm going to use the two of these together, just a couple of drops. And that is it for this. I think this will work out a lot better than my coconut oil concoction I did, because the olive oil is already a liquid oil. And so I'm going to let this sit while I, you know, go about my business, wash my hair and all that good stuff. And then I will be able to use it later. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I washed my hair and I retwisted it with the sea moss gel. So I just wanted to show you how the sea moss gel looks and how my hair looks. I did do another video on that, my 1-year retwist. So I will either link it up above, or if this video is out before that, then you will see this one first. But anywho, here is the gel. I did not leave it much time to set up, but it still worked just fine. It will be, obviously, if you leave it in the fridge or to sit more, it will be more gel-like, but it worked for me. I am interrupting my own self to say, you guys, or to show, this is the gel straight out of the fridge. I thought someone might be interested in how it is straight out of the fridge, so I didn't want to go without showing that. So there you go. That's my hair in there. I don't apologize. I was doing my hair and it got some in there, but if you, just for reference, if you are using it straight out of the fridge, this is how it's going to be for you. If you are not, then, you know, what I'm showing, what I just interrupted myself saying, that is how it will be. And so I just wanted to show you that and wrap it up and say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.